And this is the ticketing area, guys. The ticket, it is cost about 25,000 per person. This is for us ticket. If you would like to look in the area, maybe that you wanted to celebrate some things or make wedding photo, it's really possible. Right after get the ticket, that's the stop from Kato Lampo Waterfall. That there will be double checks for the ticketings. So like this. Hello. Guys, so if you came and visit Kato Lampo Waterfall, you may rent the locker over here. You put your bag or shoes. It is only cost about maybe in a dollar it's like 110 something like that, because this is only 5,000 rupiah in Indonesian rupiah, and you already can get a locker. And also if you would like to buy some towels, it's really possible over here. So, and also if you come to Kato Lampo, he is a really professional photographer. Don't forget to use him as the purpose. He will be really appreciated to using your service. Right? How much is the sometime you asking for the donations?
Just tip only tip. How much you give me and you happy, I'm happy.
All right.
I give you best picture.
That is good, guys. So time and visit and ask him as the photograph. He will be really help you, because look at the my video that I already make. Later I will be there and show you. So this is only the highest step. The stairs going through the waterfall. Kind about like 100 stairs. It's already at the waterfall. And over here that we already can see there's the waterfall, and this is the locker on the right hand side. This is the price for the towel if you would like to look in some towel over here. And also this is like a bikini, guys. It's only 60,000. It's really cheap. You can get it. And here sandals 30,000. And this is kind of about the boxer, something bogle. This romance, it's only 40,000. It's really worth it. And if you would like to get some sarong also over here, it's really nice. Okay, today I just came and visited Kato Lampo Waterfall. Let's see how is the situation over here right now. It is at 10 a.m. in the morning, guys. Look like there's some tourists already making queues for make a photo shoot over here. Because this waterfall is really famous, right? Let's see. After I just visiting the waterfall, now time for me to visit another destination, guys. Thank you so much. Goodbye.